NATO has rejected Ukraine's demand for no-fly zones. This is a much talked about topic. The bombing that's going on, Ukraine would love for the airspace above Ukraine to be declared a no-fly zone. But there's something that's a little bit misleading about that terminology. You can't just put a no-fly zone and be like, put up a sign.
Yeah.
Oh, well, there you are.
Yeah, I could just imagine someone just trying to put up a sign and be like, no, you can't.
Hey, don't fly.
No fly.
No bombs.
Yeah.
No bombs. And like, yeah, get out of my way. Bombs don't care about signs, and planes don't care about no-fly zones. What they do care about is getting shot down. And that's what a no-fly zone means in this context. If NATO were to declare the airspace above Ukraine to be a no-fly zone, they would have to enforce that. And if they were to enforce that, then that would mean directly engaging with Russian forces and essentially kicking off combat between a whole host of other nations and Russia directly. Direct combat and engagement. So they say there is no way we're going to do it. NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg told at a news conference, we are not part of this conflict, and we have a responsibility to ensure it does not escalate and spread beyond Ukraine. And now, obviously, it can do that anyway.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of people are curious about when this NATO thing kicks in, but it kicks in if a NATO nation is attacked. That's when it kicks in.